Hello and welcome to the Detailing YouTube channel. Shortly you're going to see a cinematic video of the vehicle behind me, which is a Lamborghini Gallardo. Just want to tell you a little bit about the work that we've done while the vehicle's been in with us. The vehicle came into us 4 days ago for an enhancement machine polish to take out minor imperfections in the paint and locked in with a Gtechniq ceramic coating. In this one we had Gtechniq crystal serum as the base layer and then 2 coats of Gtechniq EXO on top to give the ultimate gloss and protection. While the vehicle was with us, we've also polished the exhaust tips and protected them with a high heat ceramic coating. The wheels have been treated with a heat coating and we also coated the front screen. Inside the vehicle, all the leather was cleaned with leather repair company products, and then the leather was protected as well. We also detailed the engine bay. We spent about 6 hours in there with a lot of grime, a lot of gunk, a lot of grease build up over the years. Stripped all that back, got it looking absolutely fantastic, which you'll see in the short video coming out soon. For the rest of the car being detailed and protected, it would be wrong to leave the roof out. On this particular model it's a Spada, which means it comes with a soft top roof. We protected that with the Gtechniq Smart Fabric. This will make the roof last longer, keep the colour for longer, and also stop moss building up and making the car easy to clean. Also when it rains, the rest of the car will be beading because it's ceramic coated, and so will the roof now. That's enough of me talking about the car. We're now going to cut to a short film that I'll put together on this Lamborghini. If you do like it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.